A transformer whose secondary number of turns are greater than that of primary number of turns, then it is called as step-up transformer. We already know induced EMF depends on the flux linkages, and flux linkages depends on number of turns. If number of turns are increased, then the induced EMF also increases. Hence, N2 is greater than N1, that means E2 is greater than E1. According to transformation ratio, K is greater than 1. Simply we can say step-up transformer converts low voltage high current to high voltage low current. Actually, the purpose of step-up transformer is to reduce the power loss during transmission of electricity through the transmission lines. We know power loss is the product of square of current and resistance. That means power loss is equal to I square into R. To reduce the power loss, we need to reduce the current. So by using step-up transformer, the current is reduced and voltage is increased. Hence, we use step-up transformers in generating power stations. In our houses, we use step-up transformers in inverters because in inverters consists a battery having with a low voltage. By using this step-up transformer, that low voltage is converted into high voltage. A transformer whose secondary number of turns N2 are less than that of primary number of turns N1, then it is called as a step-down transformer. As I said before, the induced EMF depends on the number of turns. By decreasing the number of turns, the induced EMF also decreases. Hence, N2 is less than N1, that is equal to E2 is less than E1. Therefore, the transformation ratio K is less than 1. Simply, we can say step-down transformer converts high voltage low current to low voltage high current. Actually, the purpose of step-down transformer is to decrease the voltage to a safe value at the end of the transmission lines for the distribution of electricity to the consumers. Because mostly electronic devices require low voltages to operate the semiconductor components that they depend for their operation. In our houses, we use step-down transformers in mobile chargers because mobiles need low DC voltage for charging. By using this step-down transformer, the AC voltage which we given to the mobile charger is decreased to the particular value for its operation, and it consists a rectifier which converts AC to DC. A transformer whose secondary number of turns are equal to the primary number of turns, then it is called as isolation transformer. If any changes occur in the windings of primary and secondary number of turns, then only the induced EMF varies. Without any change in the number of turns, the induced EMF will not change. So here N2 is equal to N1 is equal to E2 is equal to E1. Therefore, the transformation ratio K is equal to 1. Actually, the purpose of isolation transformer is to protect the device of electrical and electronic circuits from damage due to power fluctuations, and also to protect the people from electric shocks and short circuits. In some of the sensitive devices, these type of transformers are used to suppress the electrical noise. In our houses, we use isolation transformers in stabilizers to protect various home appliances from unexpected voltage surges and power fluctuations. Generally, we use stabilizers to the devices which are having high expensive cost like air conditioners, refrigerators, televisions, etc.